First, want to apologize. I am not a photographer. I just got my cell phone on a tripod. Hopefully this will work. I want to show you the inside first. This is a Texas Star Super Bee, or Killer Bee, I'm sorry, DX250 high drive. It has got the original SC. Oh, I can't even remember. 2290s. It's got the originals. These look like they've been replaced. Potentiometer looks like it's new. It's had the keying relay replaced at some point, I can tell. They've upgraded these wires. They had these thin little wires, and somebody did put the better wires on it. If I keep it, I'll probably upgrade these wires. They look fine, but 10 gauge is better. That'd be a good upgrade. And I've seen guys take this ground from the center of the two transistors and run a ground here. That's supposed to be an upgrade also. But it's clean inside. I've blown it out a little bit. Really pretty good looking amplifier. I'll go ahead and turn this a different way. I just kind of want you to see the inside of it. Check the camera. So there you go. It's got a Killer Bee. I kind of like it. Yeah, it looks good. I did not clean the faceplate. It is missing the cover for the gauge, the meter. So I will have to find one of those. Hopefully, I mean, if I have to buy a meter, they shouldn't be too high. I'll let you know that all the lights work. Hopefully you can see that. I got a bright light there, but they all work. The preamp does work. Hopefully you can hear my radio. So what I'm going to be driving this thing with, and before I turn this on, and I'll operate the buttons, but I want you to watch my meter. I'm going to be using a Cobra 142 GTL. Let me move this light a little bit. That's affecting the meter a little bit. See if I can get that glare out of it. Oh, you can see the big numbers though. So anyway, you can see our dead key is going to be about 1.5 watts. Audio, about 20 watts this thing will do. If you look at the Killer Bee, well, Super Bee, that's a car. I'm just going to turn it on. With it turned on and this button not pushed, you're on the max right there. If you push this button, this is your dial-a-watt. We'll just turn it down. It's not a super power, but that gives you kind of like low. So I'll put it up there. That's on about half. Audio, about 64.5 watts. If you turn it up a little bit more, test 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, about 175 watts. If you dial-a-watt it all the way to the top on this one, 1, 1, 1, test 1, 2, almost 200 watts. So that gives you the ability to make it variable. If you just want to run full power all the time, you just leave that off and just hit this power button. This one pushed out. And then you'll be in the maxed out range. Let's see what this little radio does with this amplifier. Test 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Test 1, 2. Right at about 200 watts. With the original pills, everybody calls them. You know, that's about what you see on those. If you drove it a little harder with a different radio, you might see some bigger numbers than that. I just want to loaf it in there. I don't want to burn something up. A guy could use this on a bench to drive, use as a driver, put it in a vehicle. It is good for mobile. You will want to keep your voltage there. I was running it on about 14.1, seemed to handle it okay. But anyway, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it, sell it, or what I'm going to do with it. I've never owned one, so I'll probably keep it a while. I will find a lens. I just wanted to reference video until I decide what to do with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is a Gray Ghost. He's back quiet, if you can believe that.